नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज का वीडियो थोड़ा सा खास होने वाला है क्योंकि यहाँ पर हम एडजस्टमेंट जो प्लेलिस्ट है उसका एंड ही करने वाले हैं। और क्या आप सोच रहे हैं कि सारी स्ट्रेटजी मैं आज कवर करूँगा? डेफिनेटली नहीं। अभी के लिए मैं इसको हॉल्ट कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि जो भी एडजस्टमेंट्स हो रहे हैं या जो भी मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ वो मेरे दिमाग में नहीं घुस रहा है, एंड द लॉजिक बिहाइंड दैट एडजस्टमेंट इज़ नॉट like quite fundamental. That's what I can say. Fundamental in the sense, if you are putting some logic for the adjustment of one strategy, then there must be some basic points which should apply for all the strategies as well. Or else there must be particular adjustment for particular strategy at particular point of time. And that time will be decided based on the strike price, or you can say spot price movement, or else based on Greeks or something else. But it is not the case. When I was watching the videos, some people were just saying that if your alpha reaches to 100, then you have to square off your position or you have to square off your trade. And there were some other people which were saying that okay, our strategy is delta neutral, so whenever delta goes high, we have to adjust our strategy and we have to make our strategy delta neutral again at that point of time if delta reaches to certain points. And there are some set of people who are saying that okay, if it reaches to that tested corner or tested strike price, then you have to move the position. And meanwhile, there are some other people also who are adjusting their position based on gamma and wicks and all other parameters. So there is no basic rule. So if basic rule is not there, it means you can adjust your position in any strategy. जैसा भी आपको पसंद है वैसे करके कर लीजिए. For me to work on anything, I have to set my base first. So when I set my base in my first video, that when you have to adjust, when you don't have to adjust, well, these particular points were exactly not working for each and every strategy. So well, if on one hand I am saying that I have to follow this, and on the other hand I am unable to follow him, or I am unable to interpret it, or you can say that I am unable to apply those guidelines to other strategies, then definitely somewhere I am wrong, or there is somewhere people are wrong. These are the two cases only. So those who are watching this video, I need your help. If you are a trader, then please give me some basic guidelines which can be applied to all the strategies for adjustments. Let me give you a few points like what struggle I am facing while making this adjustments video. I can make several adjustments video based on the available content over YouTube and blogs, but I am not able to digest that content because in some way they are adjusting their trades or their strategy in different way. And if, like, suppose someone is saying if market started to go up, then what we have to do? Well, we have to start selling put options, or else we have to start selling buying call options. So these are two different approaches. Okay, there is one YouTuber which is Theta Gainers. I really appreciate that person because he is a genuine person, as it seems on his video, and he mentioned very great things about how Greek works, and definitely I agree with him. And as per my opinion, I am not that much knowledgeable, so better if you wanted to learn this Greeks, then watch his video. Okay, and see, he was also making some adjustment videos. I also watched them just like you. Okay, but there also I'm not finding any this thing. See what he says, or what actually he is the most genuine person what I can see from all the YouTubers out there in terms of adjustments and selling stocks, selling options. Generally, he trades in Nifty and Bank Nifty only. So, even though he is genuine, there are some questions in my mind which I wanted to like ask him also. The thing is, if you know that VIX is going high and you have made certain strategy and it is not working, okay, then why to adjust that position? If VIX is going high, then you definitely know that delta will also be high. Then we have made the credit strategy, correct? then it is not going to work out, because we have to put the debit strategy instead of that credit strategy. Then what he just tell us to do, that you have to convert your credit strategy into debit strategy. But why will I do that? I'll just square off all the positions, then I'll make my fresh strategy, which will be debit strategy. So that will work even better now, because since VIX is already high. So in similar fashion, I see there is not much of the points to adjust the positions instead of making new positions. It is better to accept loss than fight with the market all the time. And whatever backtesting or results people show you, what happens? They show you on the backdated graph. So that graph they already know. So based on that graph or based on that value, past value, they can definitely adjust their positions. But let me ask you, you have also seen the today's market. You have also seen many of the adjustments videos. Did you follow any of them? Did you adjust your positions according to that particular strategy? There are very few people who do that actually. And on that people also, and they don't follow it all the time actually. So it is again contradictory picture. If something is working, then people will be applying the working things all the time. But there is nothing like things which are working. See, we have a set of strategies for bullish, bearish, neutral, and big move market. So we can apply any of them and we can know where our trade is going. And adjustment is nothing but converting your current strategy to another strategy. So it's not like you are just doing some adjustments, you're just converting, you're taking the loss or profit, whatever is happening at that time, you're booking that, and then with the same positions, you are making another strategy. Let me give you an example. Suppose you have made the iron condor. Okay, that you have to convert, you want to convert into bull spread or bear spread. Can you do that? Definitely. If you will square call options positions or put options positions, then definitely you will be able to convert it. So what is the point here? You're just converting the strategy. But what mistake you did, you adjusted, you have squared off some positions. But if market goes in the same direction, then you again have to adjust the same positions. You have to make the same positions and take the losses on other positions as well. So as per my opinion, currently I'm unable to find any particular basic guidelines which like anybody can apply and make some adjustments. So I need your help here, because there are many traders in my community also, in my subscriber list also, who are way aware about this adjustments, okay, than me. If you compare it with me, so I need their help. If they can guide me how to adjust the positions rightly, whether it will be like see what struggle I am facing, I'll show you on the screen, so that you can rectify those struggle, or you can save those points if you are comfortable, or if you are feeling like, yeah, I can do that. So first what we'll do, whatever adjustment struggles I am facing, I'll point it out. So based on that point, if you are finding that, okay, I can answer this point, then definitely you do that. First one is criteria for adjustments. Whether you will be doing the adjustment based on the Greeks or prices, or if it touches to certain strike price. And even though, or you are making the combination of this three or something like that. And what will be your exact criteria for squaring of any positions? Like if delta reaches to 100, you will square off, or if gamma reaches to certain position, then you will square off. What is your baseline? That you have to give me, because that baseline we will be applying in each and every strategy. And if it differs for different strategies, then that also you can provide me. That's okay. Okay, I'll give you my mail ID in the description also. So please mail me, so that I'll contact you and we can help our community. Okay, so there is my first confusion, because I'm seeing the video, lots of video, I can show you the same, but that doesn't make sense for me right now. So I need to believe in this first. So I'll apply that, I'll apply my mind, and I'll do the reasoning with them. Then only I'll go for that adjustments, and then again we'll start our series. So whoever is watching this video, please, if you want to help this community, you can at least guide me how to do that. Or else, if you want, okay, I'll take all the credits. See, It's not about credit, it is helping people. So please mail me. We'll do some VC session, means video conference, or you can say meeting type, so that both the side camera will be set and will be posting in my channel also, and in his channel also he can post if he wants in social media, so that what will happen, uh, his credibility will be there, and also people will be able to understand better. That's my whole purpose is actually, so that I can spread you the correct knowledge. So that's my effort is. And if you know anything, see, language doesn't matter. आई कैन स्पीक हिंदी, आई कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश. अगर आप शायद दूसरा लैंग्वेज ही बोलते तो सर्टनली आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड इट करेक्टली, बट somehow I'll try to manage it. Okay, so that is first thing. Second thing which I'm struggling is adjustments or deploy new strategy. Yesterday or day before yesterday also we have discussed some strategy and adjustments. So while deploying those strategies, what I was thinking, why don't I square off this strategy? Already loss is happening. I will take that loss and I will convert, or I will deploy new strategy that will give me more profit even than adjusting this current strategy. Adjustment is not at all was giving me the good result, and I also did not know if I was in the current market and at the time I had to make that adjustment. I would be thinking whether I had to make the adjustment or I have to square off all the positions. That decision has to be made now. How will you make the decision? See, you will be seeing the theta, delta, or maybe VIX or implied volatility, whatever you want to see. Then based on that, you will be making certain adjustments. So, see, आज का market आपने देखा. So suddenly VIX has gone high. You also seen, I also seen. Market has reached around like 250 points negative. And suddenly it has come back to 138 points. Then again 230 points. तो भैया वो विक्स भी तो खेल रहा था. Your delta was changing. So one time it is showing that delta is 50 or whatever it is there. Then you are squaring off making new positions. Then again it is when it will go back, it will again disturb your delta. That's what I wanted to know actually. ठीक है, कुछ बेसलाइन तैयार करेंगे और उसके ऊपर वर्क करेंगे. सो आई नीड योर सपोर्ट एंड whoever is ready to do that, or else if you wanted to set a video conference, we'll do that and we'll share the same post with you also. Now the third struggle I'm facing is base of adjustment, whether it will be price or VIX. That's what I told you. Like if that particular strike price premium decays to 50% or whatever criteria you are setting, well, that criteria will be for every strategy, or particular strategy will have particular criteria. And what will be the what will be the point of setting that particular criteria? Means like, why did you set it at the first place? It should not be like that I have seen that chart and that's why I have applied this. It should not be chart. It should be basic fundamental things like maybe VIX, maybe theta or something like that. Because see, chart we have not seen it before. Right now we can discuss these strategies on past charts, but क्या करेगा यार, उसमें मतलब ही नहीं आया ना. We have already seen that market, so I can adjust my strategy according to that market. Now the fourth point is, does every strategy will have a different adjustments? That's what I was asking you, because adjustments will have some baseline, so that baseline should be applied to all the strategies as well. Baseline, or you can say some guidelines, or you can say some you can say ना concept clear होना चाहिए, fundamentals, basic concepts होना चाहिए. So on that basic concepts you will be adjusting strategies. So what is that adjusting point? Like, what are the basic guidelines you are following? That I didn't know. So I don't want to misguide you. Just like posting one after another video, and then when you try to apply it in the live market, it doesn't work. See, even I make the positions. You also see my positions. I have two things in mind. Either market will be up or down, or else neutral. Then I make some positions. Then if market goes against me, I'll have two options, whether I can square off that positions or I can limit my losses. Limit my losses means adjusting my positions. Adjusting in the sense, suppose I have made some strangle, then I will convert it into iron condor. So that's how I manage it. So that everybody knows ना, अगर आपने नेकेड पुट सेल किया और मार्केट नीचे जा रहा है, तो what will you do? Well, you will buy the put or else you will square off the positions. सो व्हाट इज द बेस्ट स्ट्रैटेजी? आपको ये भी लगता है मार्केट नीचे भी जा सकता है, आपको ये भी लगता है मार्केट ऊपर भी जा सकता है. देयर इज ऑलवेज अ कन्फ्यूजन. सो इन दैट कन्फ्यूजन, will you adjust that position or not? Well, you may be doing two things. Whether you'll be adjusting or you'll be squaring off. In my terms, that's why I make the positions far away from the spot price, so that I don't have to adjust it on the same time. Like, I'll be having a lot of time before the adjustments. And if market is going in the same direction, then definitely there is no point of adjusting that positions. Just square off and take the loss and make new strategy and make the new positions. That's why I started squaring off my positions daily, most of the time. Only at few points where I'm sure that this is the particular support or resistance and it is hard to break, or I am just hedging that position, then only I am carrying the position next day, because I know next day market will be totally different. One day it is going up and it is giving the profit in me buying C, then on another day it can give me the profit when I buy the P. So that's what I thought of sharing with you. And the second thing is, that's why I make the positions so far away from the spot price sometimes. Even though right now also, if you see the today's also, I have applied some strategy and I had something in my mind, like if market goes as does not go as per my wish, means like I have expected that market will be going down, but if it goes up, then what will be my precautionary measures? Whether I'll be taking the loss, will I be adjusting the positions, what will be the weakness scenario? Means if market is bullish today and on weekly basis it is bearish, then it is better to carry over the position next day with adjusting your positions. So that should be baseline as per me. But people are adjusting the positions based on Greeks value, based on some price, or based on reaching certain values and something like that. So that doesn't make sense to me right now. We'll see. So that's what I planned for you for today's video. So actually I'm not sure that I should share with you the adjustments, because I am unable to digest those adjustments right now. So I need your support in this. Whoever comes first, or whatever the things in your mind, definitely do tell me in the comment box. Okay, I'll share my mail ID in the description so that you can contact me. Well, if you're finding this video helpful and you wanted to support the trader community, then hit the like button and consider subscribing this channel.